Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Mazda CX-3, stock number 6538. This ran from the 3rd 2015 and the 7th 2018. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Front interior light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.